Imagine a car that not only defined an era, but also continues to capture the hearts of car enthusiasts decades later. Welcome to the world of the Chevrolet Chevelle, a symbol of American automotive ingenuity, style, and performance. Join us as we dive into the captivating history of the Chevrolet Chevelle, exploring its origins, evolution, and lasting legacy. The 1960s were a transformative period for the automobile industry. Manufacturers were in a constant race to introduce new designs and features. General Motors, through its Chevrolet division, emerged as a major player during this era. In 1964, Chevrolet introduced the Chevelle to fill the gap between the compact Chevy 2 and the full-sized Impala. This mid-sized car quickly gained popularity for its versatility, offering various body styles including coupes, sedans, convertibles, and station wagons. The period between 1965 and 1973 is considered the golden era for the Chevrolet Chevelle. Let's start with the first generation, which set the stage for its future success. Launched in 1964, the Chevelle was available in multiple trims, including the entry-level 300, the mid-range Malibu, and the performance-oriented Super Sport, or SS. The Chevelle SS was designed to compete with Ford's Fairlane. It featured a new platform design from GM known as the A-Body, with a 115-inch wheelbase. The SS trim included special exterior brightwork, an SS emblem, and a more powerful engine lineup. In its debut year, Chevrolet sold an impressive 338,286 Chevelles, with 8,224 of those being SS coupes. In 1966, the Chevelle SS 396 became a series of its own, featuring the SS 396 Super Sports coupes and convertibles. This model came with a larger 396 cubic inches V8 engine, available in 3 different power ratings, 325, 360, and 375 horsepower. Another notable model was the Chevelle 300 Deluxe V8, introduced in 1967, which featured a facelift and additional interior options. The second generation of the Chevrolet Chevelle marked a significant evolution in design and performance. Introduced in 1968, this generation featured a more aggressive and aerodynamic look. The 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu was a major highlight of this generation. Known for its distinctive elongated front and short-decked rear, the Malibu introduced several new features, including the GM Hideaway wiper system. The Malibu's design included a single chrome bar connecting the quad headlights and larger, more vertical taillight lenses. The model used Astro ventilation, which improved cabin airflow without the need for vent windows. The Chevelle Malibu was available with a range of V8 engines, offering up to 325 horsepower. Between 1968 and 1972, various Malibu versions were produced, including the Malibu 4-door wagon, Malibu Sport Coupe, Malibu Convertible, and Malibu 4-door sedan. The third generation of the Chevrolet Chevelle saw further refinements and adaptations to meet new safety and emission standards. This generation introduced the Chevelle Laguna, a model that combines style, comfort, and performance. Known as the Chevelle SS station wagon, it featured an acoustical double-panel roof, better-fitted glass, and an elegantly styled exterior door handle. The station wagon retained the 112-inch wheelbase for the coupe version and 116 inches for the sedan version, providing more interior space and seating for 6 to 9 passengers. The Chevrolet Chevelle's impact extended beyond the automotive world into popular culture. Its appearances in movies, TV shows, and commercials cemented its status as an icon of American muscle cars. The Chevelle SS appeared in over 1,600 movies, with notable appearances in the Fast and Furious franchise. In 2013, a 1970 Chevelle SS 427 LS6 sold at the Mecum auction for $1.77 million, making it the world's most expensive Chevelle. This record-breaking sale highlighted the car's desirability among collectors and enthusiasts. The Chevrolet Chevelle was known for its impressive performance and technical specifications. It offered a range of engine options, from the base 6-cylinder engines to high-performance V8s, including the 283 cubic inches V8, 327 cubic inches V8, 396 cubic inches V8, and the 427 cubic inches V8. Transmission options included 3-speed manual, Muncie aluminum 4-speed manual, 2-speed Power Glide automatic, and 3-speed turbo hydromatic automatic. The Chevrolet Chevelle's legacy is defined by its timeless design, powerful performance, and cultural impact. Even today, the Chevelle remains a highly sought-after classic car, cherished by collectors and enthusiasts alike. Restoring a classic Chevrolet Chevelle can be a rewarding experience, but it requires careful attention to detail and a commitment to preserving the car's original character. Many enthusiasts take pride in restoring their Chevelles to factory specifications. while others opt for custom modifications to enhance performance and aesthetics. Chevelle clubs and communities provide a platform for enthusiasts to connect, share knowledge, and celebrate their passion for this iconic muscle car. Events such as car shows, rallies, and cruises offer opportunities to showcase restored Chevelles and exchange tips on maintenance and restoration. The Chevrolet Chevelle continues to influence modern car designs and inspire automotive enthusiasts. Its blend of power, style, and performance set a benchmark that many modern muscle cars strive to achieve. The Chevelle's timeless appeal ensures that it remains a beloved classic, often celebrated in automotive magazines, documentaries, and car shows. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of the Chevrolet Chevelle. If you enjoyed this deep dive, be sure to check out our other videos on classic cars and automotive legends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Until next time, keep those engines roaring and the spirit of classic muscle alive.